what is along one of our stops, and that building. I passed a bunch of fire hydrants in the middle of nowhere too. I'm going to try to get a video to show you guys. We're in the middle of the woods, and there's, I think, the 2 fire hydrants we passed. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I just noticed a little building down in the corner. You see a bridge of it. I'll try to get some more videos. I'm going, it's so rough here, and the water is unreal. I'll show you guys. Guys, look at this boulder. And there's a ladder there. Look at the size of this boulder, guys. It's massive. Look at it. It's bigger than a house. Look at it. Guys, look at it. I just noticed. Look at it. It's a bunch of trees. You can see them a little bit. It's all uprooted. See the whole back end of it? Somebody was using it as a stand because look at the chairs. There was a fire there. And he got a big homemade ladder on the other side of the boulder, as you just seen. Now there's like some kind of well, old-fashioned well inside behind these gates. It's a private property here. But I had to take pictures to show you guys. Guys, look, a fire hydrant in the middle of the woods. Look, it's all woods. No houses. Somebody told me there was 2 out here, but there's just 1. Look how deep that water is, guys, look. This is alongside the road, guys. There's like I guess it used to be a farm. It's all fenced in, but I guess abandoned now. Sorry I couldn't get any water shots. It was so rocky underneath that deep water that I had to hold with 2 hands, and I forgot my helmet mount camera home. And the water was up almost over our bikes. I got my feet soaked. But I'll try to remember my helmet camera later on, and I'll show you guys how deep that water was. It was right up under the bikes. My bike was smoking. Now, this is the dirt road ahead of us, so we head out. And there's the guys. See, that's a big pit right along the side of the road going down. This is right alongside the gravel road that we're going out on. So I film all the spots along the way.